In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a chart in Google Sheets. If you've built a chart to visualize your data and you want a clean, shareable printout, this walkthrough will guide you from your spreadsheet to a ready-to-print page with just a few clicks. We'll use the built-in print tools in Google Sheets, and I'll point out what to look for so your chart comes out clear and correctly oriented. Start in your Google Sheets file with the chart you want to print visible on the sheet. Make sure the chart is positioned the way you like and fully within the visible area. If the chart is very wide or tall, take a second to glance at how it sits on the sheet. That context will help you pick the right page orientation in a moment. You don't need to move or resize anything unless you want to fine-tune the look before printing. Now go to the menu at the top and open the File menu. This is where all your export and print options live. Choosing File keeps everything within Google Sheets so the chart is printed along with the sheet content exactly as you see it. Click Print. This opens the print preview window for Google Sheets. Here you'll see a real-time preview on the left and settings on the right. The preview is your best friend. It shows exactly how your chart will appear on the page. If something looks off, like labels getting cut off or the chart looking squished, the next setting will usually fix it. Select Page Orientation. You can switch between portrait and landscape. Portrait works well for taller, narrower charts, while landscape is often better for wide bar charts or dashboards. As you change orientation, watch the preview update instantly. If your chart has long axis labels or a wide legend, landscape can help keep everything readable. If the chart is tall and detailed, portrait may preserve the layout better. The goal is to fill the page cleanly without clipping the chart or shrinking it so much that labels are hard to read. When the preview looks right, click Next. This hands things off to your browser or system's standard print window. From there, you'll see your usual printer options and can proceed as you normally do. If you're sharing digitally, you can also choose a PDF destination here using the System dialog. That's it. With the chart visible, File, Print, select the page orientation that best fits your layout, and next to finish up, your Google Sheets chart is ready to go.